So I don't know what these guys are on the water, on the beach, if they're baby seagulls or what they are. But they're so cute. When the tide comes in, they go running away from the waves, and then the waves go back down, and then they go and they're eating something. See, watch, look at them. Oh, run, 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 little ones, run, run. Then the tide goes back out, and then they run and they eat some stuff off the sand. Woohoo! So much fun. They're busy guys. Yeah, I don't know. They got short tails.
Fast, eh?
Yeah. There they go, running again. Yeehaw! Oh, watch out for the water. Yeah. They're just running and running, 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 and then they get eat, 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 eat. Where'd they go? That's so cool.